Okay, FieldGenius has a special routine for doing multiple observations to a point, or we refer to them as multi-sets. If you go to your measurement mode screen, you can choose the option called MultiSet. Reconfirm what point you're set up on, your instrument height. I'm going to accept that. And here we have some instructions on how to use the multi-sets. You can scroll through it and read it, and you can show this message every time, or you can choose to not show it. So the first thing you do is you click in the new point field, and this is going to be the new point that will be created for our first multi-set. FieldGenius's multi-set routine allows you to shoot as many points as you want in any order. It doesn't matter. It's completely up to you to decide how you want to do your multi-sets. Okay, so now the first thing we're going to do here, I'm going to take a measurement here for point 108. Okay, let's take this measurement. Stop displaying that message. Okay, there's 108. You're going to see here, FieldGenius will keep track of how many observations you've taken on either direct or reverse face. And I'm going to shoot a second point here, 109, which happens to be it's just to the right of the first point. And let's measure it. All right, now I'm going to flip the scope here, and we're going to do a phase 2 shot on point 109. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to bust this shot. I'm going to take an incorrect measurement. It's not even close to where it should be. So let's just measure. And maybe I realize that, I might have made a mistake on that shot. So I can edit the set for 109 and take a look at the standard deviations. Now if we take a look at this here, the standard deviation, this is the average of the observations that we measured. So you can see the horizontal angle is okay. It's 10 seconds off, but the vertical angle and slope distance is incorrect. So what I can do here is I can turn off the second shot, go back, and let's correctly sight the correct point here. And let's measure it. Now let's edit that set. So now if you look at your standard deviations here, they're a lot better. I didn't sight exactly right on for the vertical. I'm just trying to speed up the movie here. But basically we're ready to store this point. And you're going to notice here it's telling me I need to have one observation on the back sight. So let's go and do that. So let's highlight the back sight. We'll take one shot. Okay. Okay, so now we've got one shot on the back sight, and that's enough. You don't have to take a second shot on it if you don't want to. And for point 108, I can go back and shoot my reverse face shot on that one. So what I'm trying to demonstrate here is the flexibility in FieldGenius. I wasn't forced to be in any, I didn't have to follow what the data collector wanted me to do. Basically, I'm telling the data collector how I want to record these shots. And we feel that gives the user a lot of flexibility. Okay, so now let's edit these sets. So basically I've taken a reverse and a direct shot on each one of those. Okay, so let's just store this point. And here, you're going to remember in your instrument settings, you can specify some tolerance values. And again, this is one of the reasons why I made sure I didn't sight exactly vertically, so I could show you that Field Genius will warn you if you're exceeding your tolerances. So I'll say yes. And let's store it. And then let's store at this point. So edit the set. Store point. And again, we've exceeded our tolerance, but I'm going to accept it anyways. And that's how you use the MultiSet routine. Oh, and I'll just show you here. Here's the two shots we recorded, and they happen to be 2 points on this wall.